God. Oh
my gosh, Joey.
Oh no.
Oh, here we go. Jamie's got cucumber, tomato, onion salad.
Someone's asking for frog jerky.
Fucking nasty.
Grilled peppers and onions. I could get down with that. Spicy mango and pineapple. What if we did tahine?
Oh.
All right, so let's make spicy tahine, pineapple, mango beef jerky. You ever been to Tizo's here in town?
I think Tizo's is the best kept secret of Oklahoma City.
It looks nicer than that other one. Oh, 1973? Has it been a thing? Oh, is it?
Actual shrimp.
We'll do like a half a drink.
Alright.
Blink.
I'm grabbing it. Bam.
So we're making spicy tahine, mango, pineapple beef jerky. James, we're making this for you. James suggested this flavor down in the comments of another video. If you guys want to see us make a video, leave your comments down below and we'll make it for you. Valentina Black Label, tahine, mango, pineapple, bowl. I gotta do the thing real quick. Go make a phone call. Get the mango and then we'll get it ready to process.
Easy peasy.
You got it?
Oh yeah,
All right.
got it. All right, I'll be honest, I do not know how to cut a mango or a pineapple. Oh, we got knives over here. Dang, I'm struggling. Ooh, that looks like a mango knife. Not a mango knife. Yes, mango knife. I made all that up, so let me cut the ends off. Somebody in the comments, let me know. Let me know the proper way to do this. And then they usually come in chunks, right? Oh my God, there's a pit in there? Yo, that's gonna be embarrassing if I... Let's try and do like an avocado where you like twist the pit out.
You making deli meat over here? What do you got?
Yeah, is that not, how do people get it in, like what?
Have you been doing that the whole time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even, yeah. that's all
Well,
I
good
got.
job. Looks nice. Twist the top off.
Twist it off?
Twist it. Okay.
Bam.
Now do the
Oh,
same
there we
thing.
go.
Bottom that B.
And she's like, for that big black coffee? And I was like,
Heyo.
It's like, hey, BBC, you say. If I want 4 special shots of my black coffee, sell me the shit. Who cares? Let me die on my own accord.
All right. Let's do about a quarter of that.
About a quarter?
Yeah, I'm kind of eyeballing this pineapple
there, you
to
think?
mango ratio. Yeah, it looks great.
This almost looks like a third, but.
Yeah, it's like a third, but. All right.
Toss
Yeet that
it.
mango in there.
All right. Yeet. Quarter cup soy sauce.
Love the flavor Worcestershire adds, huh?
2.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
2 of those. It like cleans your gut.
Yeah, it's for gut health, to fix the microbiome in your stomach, Weldon. You don't watch Joe Rogan?
Give me 2 tablespoons of that Valentina hot sauce.
Oh.
And I don't even care if you go a little heavy with it.
2 tablespoons.
Not to do a third one. Just make it a party. Make it a party.
We'll go a third one.
1 extra tablespoon for you, James. 2 TBSPs.
1.
That's what we say in the biz. Little pro tip on honey. I never use the measuring cups. I eyeball it. You lose too much in the
I was like
spoon.
thinking that, like I'm seeing all that.
So 1 TBSP lime juice. Where's that lime that we bought? Real lime juice it is.
Dang, it's pretty
Thanks,
real.
Thanks, Weldon. Zest. So, really, is this what we're doing right now?
What kind of grip
Oh my
strength
God.
do you have, Doug?
Bro, what is the deal?
Jesus.
All right, let's do a couple TSPs of garlic powder. And then we'll follow that right up with 2 TSPs of onion. 1.5 TSP smoked paprika. 1 TSP cayenne. Kick it up a notch for James. Let's do a TSP of crushed red pepper flakes. 1 TSP black pepper. Tahine for my boy James.
Oh, tahine. Ooh, look at that. It looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Ah, look at it, doesn't it? It looks like it just came from Tizo's.
I know. After eating Tizo's, I'm kind of excited to try that. Bad boy looks like.
Oh, God, what do you think of that? So if you guys don't know, we keep pre-bagged meat. We pre-slice everything in 3-pound batches. So when we want to make sample batches, it's quick and easy. All right, pour that flavor on there, and let's go. This meat marinating in the fridge, covered up like this for 24 to 48 hours, will really take all of that flavor from the marinade in and really put that into the meat. But what we do when we make stuff commercially is we throw it into a vacuum tumbler. 30 minutes in this vacuum tumbler is equal to about 2 days in your fridge.
All right, so no pieces touching, folded over on themselves.
That's it.
That way it allows for proper airflow around the meat. These are some big pieces, aren't they? Jeez.
Those are monster pieces.
Perks, like, is it gonna be like a pop of flavor, you know? Is it gonna just dehydrate all the way out? What do you think?
All right,
Grab this bad
slide her
boy.
in. 150 degrees for 6 hours.
All right, Doug's back at his desk, so I decided I'm gonna throw a little bit more tahini on here for you, James. You said spicy, I'm going spicy.
Doug's whole recipe.
Hey, shh.
Carolina Reaper. Doug's piece. Come on.
All right, we'll go one piece. You got some powder? Oh God, oh no.
Oh my gosh, Joey.
Oh no, oh no. That's too much, that's too much as is.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Doug didn't show up to the office today. I don't know if somebody tipped him off or what, but he's not here. We're gonna try to get somebody to eat it. Not sure, maybe somebody from the warehouse, we'll see. Texture-wise, one, a little floppy, that's how I like it. All right, let's go into it. I think it's good. Not really pulling a lot of that sweetness out like I was hoping. I'll take a bite of this one too. Only fair. If I'm gonna give it to somebody, I gotta try it myself.
The Carolina Reaper.
Why would I go from the good one to that one?
I love tahini. I like it on my fruit mainly, and sometimes in some drinks. This gonna be probably like my top 3 favorites I've ever tried. There is like hints of pineapple. There is like, it's like fruity. This is a thumbs up. Let's keep this. This is nice.
No.
Try this. Look how good that looks.
Okay.
Hold on.
Alright.
Give that a go.
You want to get this on camera. If you
Oops,
eat
dox
the
him.
Carolina Reaper, if you eat the Carolina
Give
Reaper,
you.
only for Keon.
Oh
Only
no.
for Keon.
I don't think he knows how bad I need 20 bucks right now.
You got 5 seconds. 5.
Oh shoot.
4,
Okay. All right. Are you
3,
serious? I
2.
bet. Why? Oh, it's
Spit it
hot.
out. I thought about spitting it out too.
Can I spit it out? So
All right, now try the regular one. and
I
tell me.
can't taste anything.
We'll just
Little
get-
does Keon know that was fraudulent money. Smells good, smells good. It wasn't as heavy on the pineapple or the mango as I thought it would be. It was very light on it. I got a lot of like spice. I got a lot of the tahini, but not a lot of the mango or the pineapple. We should have done more pineapple, specifically pineapple. Mango was okay. I think this is a knot. And I hate to say it.
All right, so as you can tell, it seems like there's mixed reactions. I know a lot of people are saying they're not really pulling out all the flavors. All I could think, I know like I would like more fruity flavors as well. So maybe like pineapple juice, not just pineapple puree, but maybe throw like some pineapple juice. The problem is it's really hard to pull those fruit flavors out. Ping, pro tip. We're gonna be doing recipes every single week, so make sure you're following us, hit that notification bell. We're always looking for flavor ideas, so make sure just go ahead and comment those flavors. We could potentially pick your flavor for next week's recipe. Last but certainly not least, make sure you're following us, hit that notification bell because we will be posting videos every single Friday. This is Joey from jerky.com, and I look forward to seeing you next week.